Hello and welcome. The last design video I shared was a 3-story family home designed using 6 shipping containers to create 1,760 square feet distributed over 3 stories. One of our subscribers suggested that if it's possible to design a similar house but have it on a single story, especially for those who prefer to live on the ground floor level. And his request has been granted. If you have a special request or a different opinion on our design videos, don't hesitate to give your feedback in the comments section below. You never know, your design might be the next one we are featuring in our upcoming videos. In this video, we bring to you a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom family home designed using 6 shipping containers to create a 1,760 square feet of habitable space on a single story arranged in a courtyard layout. On the front facade, we have 2 shipping containers arranged in a staggered fashion to accommodate a 2-car garage and a guest bedroom. There is a central breezeway that connects to the living room and the bedroom's wing beyond. The main entrance door ushers you into a spacious entrance lobby from which you can access the guest bedroom, and there is an exit door from the garage. Right ahead, there is a full bathroom to be used by the public. Next to it, there is a small closet space to keep your wet jacket. Next to the kitchen, there is a spacious laundry room with a laundry sink, adequate counter space, a washer, a dryer, and overhead storage. Right in front, there is an open-plan living space. The living space accommodates a lounge area, a dining, and an L-shaped open kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen is big enough to accommodate all your essential kitchen appliances, adequate counter space around the kitchen. The kitchen is arranged in an L-shaped format to free up most of the living space to accommodate the dining area and the lounge space. The dining area is big enough, ideal for a big family size that can comfortably seat 6 or 8 depending on your configuration. Right in front of the dining is a big lounge area. The lounge area is big enough to accommodate several sofa seats and other lounge furniture big enough for a social gathering. Feel free to explore different furniture arrangements to find out how your lounge space can be rearranged. The most notable feature of the living room is the wall of full-height folding glass doors which open up the living room to the outdoors, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. In addition, the folding doors can fold open to allow seamless access, at the same time allow cool breezes to enhance natural cross-ventilation. The full-height glazing drenches the living room with adequate daylighting, creating a well-lit living space. The last set of shipping containers on the extreme end of the courtyard arrangement accommodates the bedroom wing of the house. The bedroom wing accommodates 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 sizable bedrooms that are sharing a common bathroom, and one of the bedrooms is big enough to accommodate 2 double beds. The master bedroom is big and spacious, ideal for all the comforts of master living. The master is big enough to accommodate a king-size bed, a mini lounge, and enough wardrobe space. The master is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors with unfettered access to private Juliet balconies. With this arrangement, this particular family house design gives you access to a private courtyard, which is the most intimate outdoor space in this design. The outdoor courtyard can accommodate as much outdoor family activities as you deem fit. The space is big enough to accommodate a small swimming pool. There's also space for a barbecue area. You can have space for lounge seating and even other family outdoor activities. Just like any other conventional housing, you are encouraged to observe proper insulation throughout to enhance indoor thermal comfort. When it comes to interior finishes, you are encouraged to use light-colored finishes, sparsely spaced indoor furniture to create a feeling of space. On the exterior finishes, in this particular design, we decided to retain the original container corrugated walls, but feel free to explore other options of exterior outdoor finishes depending on your preference, cost, and location. In this particular design, we preferred to use a black exterior, which marries well with all the other finishes and colors as used in the exterior design. In the middle section, we decided to use red to juxtapose it against the predominantly black exterior. In this particular design, we decided to adopt a flat roof with generous overhangs to protect all the outdoor fenestrations from direct solar radiation or inclement weather. If you have any special request on a particular design you would wish to see us feature in our upcoming videos, don't hesitate to give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. What do you like or dislike about this particular design? Kindly give us your opinion also by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you like this design, you can also purchase it from our website using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.